Today I am going to show you some diagram and actually some of the numerical problem may be related to the diagram of convex and concave lens. That's why uh, half of the part, I mean to say, the incomplete ray diagrams are taken here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and I want to complete this. And what the question? Complete the following ray diagram with region. This is the main focus point, with region. We don't have to only complete, we have to say the region also, we have to write region also. Okay, now let's see each of them. Look at this. In this case, a convex lens is shown and refracted ray is shown parallel. Refracted ray is parallel. Then in which condition refracted ray will be parallel? If you don't know, remember the one of the matter I told you in previous class also. When a ray of light comes from focus, when a ray of light comes from focus and falls on the convex lens, then it refracts being parallel to the principal axis, and this is the solution. And you have to write at the bottom that a ray of light coming through the focus when falls on a convex lens, then it refracts being parallel to the principal axis. This is the reason. Now next, here also the refracted ray is parallel to the principal axis. In which condition it happens? If a ray of light is directed towards the focus, if a ray of light is directed towards the focus, a ray of light passing through concave lens is if directed towards the focus, then it refracts being parallel to the principal axis. This must be the reason. We have to write this reason. Okay. Now let's talk about third one. Here we have two convex lenses and a little confusion also. F1 and F2 are the focus. It's very simple, but this F1 and F2 represents the same point. It means in between these two convex lenses there is common focus. It doesn't make any difference to us. We have to complete this ray diagram. A ray of light, if comes through focus and falls on the convex surface, then it refracts being parallel to the principal axis. This first case the same. And in the same way, here we have two rays of light. That's why both of them refract being parallel to the principal axis. There is no doubt. That's why we can write this way. When the ray of light coming through the focus falls on a convex lens, then it refracts being parallel to the principal axis, and that's why from first lens both the rays refract being parallel to each other. This much reasoning is not complete. Now we have to go through second lens also. Now in case of second lens, look at this. These two rays are parallel to the principal axis of second lens, and the ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens passes through focus after refraction. That's why we have to pass these two rays of light through focus. And the reason just now I told you, the ray of light coming parallel to the principal axis passes through focus after refraction in case of convex lens. That's why it passes like this. This is our region. Now let's go to fourth diagram. Something are repeating, but something is different. We have to take care of everything. Look at this. These two rays of light are parallel to the principal axis of the first convex lens, and the rays of light coming parallel to the principal axis of a convex lens passes through focus after refraction. We have to write this region. That's why both the rays passes through focus from first lens. We have to say it this way. First lens, it passes through focus. And this one also the same, passes through focus. And look at this, both the rays are passing through focus of the second lens also, because they have common focus f1 and f2. They have common focus, that's why passing through the focus of second lens also, a ray of light coming through the focus of the convex lens passes or refract being parallel to the principal axis. That's why in second lens, in case of second lens, both the rays of light passes being parallel to the principal axis, or refract being parallel to the principal axis. This way we can complete the ray diagram and we can write reason what I told you just now. Now let's talk about fifth one. First, second, third, fourth, fifth one. What is shown here? The common focus is shown in between the two concave lenses, f1 and f2, the same point. Two rays of light are directed towards the focus of first concave lens. If the rays of light passing through a concave lens is directed towards its focus, then this ray of light refract being parallel to the principal axis of the concave lens after refraction. We have to write this reason first, and then we have second case also. I mean to say we have to write about the second lens also. This is parallel ray. Now these two rays are parallel to the principal axis of second concave lens, and so both of them diverges through focus. And focus means, I mean to say, f2 is the focus of this second lens. That's why they diverges or appears to be coming from the focus. This way it diverges. Here also the same. The ray of light parallel to the principal axis appears to be coming from focus of the concave lens after refraction. This is the refraction. Now last case, look at this. One is convex lens, another is concave lens. In case of convex lens, a ray of light is coming through focus, and so it passes being parallel to the principal axis. You have to write this way: a ray of light coming through the focus in a convex lens passes being parallel to the principal axis. That's why it happens in first lens, convex lens. But for the second concave lens, this ray is parallel to the principal axis of second concave lens, but here its focus is f2. f2 is the focus of second lens, f1 is the focus of first lens. That's why a ray of light coming parallel to the concave lens appears to be coming from focus after refraction. That's why we have to pass this way. This right ray goes this way. It appears to be coming from focus. Okay, this is the solution of all the diagram. That's why if any of these or similar to this comes in examination or any place, you can draw ray diagram with region. This much for today.